Hello guys, it's Univers.com. I'm in Durian, so you can see lots of Durian behind. At this moment, it's the season, so many people coming here to eat, and the best Durian, as I heard, is Malaysia, and I'm in Malaysia. See, I never tried. I just heard that it's very weird or the best fruit. So I'll try with actually my local friends. So this is Musang King is the best.
Yeah, so 1 kg is 38 ringgit.
So what he's doing?
Just gonna check it if it's the best.
If it's not best, can I choose other? Why not? So
Check it if it's yellow.
if it's not yellow, what happens?
He'll choose another one.
No.
No good.
No good.
Then he'll choose other one. He throw away,
No, put it aside.
and then
And then they will pack it for a lower price.
then who will eat?
You can buy it. But they will pack
Okay.
Ini
Ni?
biji keluar
Can-
it. Okay.
Okey ni.
Okay. Okay.
Okey.
Yeah. Okay. He brings the durian on the table and he cuts in front of us, and oh, it's yellow. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's good. It looks good. He's a professional. He knows how to cut. So I let him do and just watch. It looks a bit weird. I don't know. Okay. Oh, so wow. Okay, thank you. Wow. This is lots of durian because it's very stinky, so people wearing gloves to eat. And okay, let me try. This is very thorny. Oh, actually, it's a bit difficult to hold like this. Let's hold it like this. Smells so weird, stinky. So I hold it and I take it. Wow, it's very soft. I'm nervous to eat. Why should I? But this is very expensive. This is all like $20. This is the most expensive fruit I'm trying actually in my life. But this is people say this is king of fruit. So let's see why people say king of fruit. I don't want to chew. No, it's okay. First bite was disgusting. It's disgusting. Yeah. I feel like spicy. I don't know. Spicy? Maybe because of a strong smell. I think second bite is okay, but first bite was crazy. There's a seed inside, and it's very, very hard. Actually, I'm invited with my local friend. It's very expensive fruit, but anyway, I thank you guys. It's okay lah. Actually, I think I started less hating. First time, what the hell this is, but now, I keep eating. So I hate it less and less. Maybe if I eat more, maybe I'll be okay next time. Now I feel a bit sweet. I don't know, first time when I have, there's something like spicy, I don't know. But now I feel sweet. Actually, this is very creamy. You see that? It's very, very creamy. When it's more creamy, and I think it's better, right? Yeah, so this is a very, very creamy. You see that? This is the last durian. Wow, this is a big one. Very stinky. Actually, this is very heavy. So I was eating slow. I had a chat with a friend, and But now I eat again and I feel again stinky. Is it like a gas leaking? It's very weird smell. So because of this strong smell, like hotel doesn't allow to have durian in the room, and also airplane they don't allow to have durian because smell. If I touch this one with my clothes, I'm not sure how long this smell will stay. Wow, I'm so full. I share with my friends. This is the last one I'm having. I'm not sure it will be last in my life or I have the next time. But it's very, very unique, very stinky, weird, expensive fruit. It was an amazing experience to have durian, and you should try. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you on next video.